Understand solving exponential equation using logarithms. Example 1. Use a structure. Would you use the natural log or the common log to solve the equation 10 in exponent x plus 2 is equal to 78? Is it possible to use either the natural or common log? Explain. So first of all, here let's write with a common log to solve this problem. When we have this exponential here, we are applying the equality rules of the logs, and we can use this example. We can convert this in the form log, common log of 10 in exponent x plus 2, x plus 2, that is equal with a log of 78, common log of 78. So now what we are doing here, now the exponent we are using the power rule of the logs, and the exponent gets in the front here. So we have x plus 2. So this x plus 2, let me make it parenthesis, time log 10. Time log 10 is equal with log 78. Common log of 78. And now what we are doing here, we divide this everything by log 10. We divide everything by log 10. Let me take here log 10, we divide with a common log 10. And what we get here x plus 2 is equal with log 78, log 78 divided by log 10. So here, when I'm talking a log, I'm talking about a common log, common log of 10. And we subtract everything by minus 2 here, so x, so finally x is going to be equal with the log 78, common log of 78, divided by common log of 10, common log of 10, and minus 2. This I'm leaving for you to solve it. When you plug in this in calculator and everything else, when you calculate those numerical values, you get a minus 0.17, approximately 107. So this is approximately this value. And now when you solving this problem, for example, with the natural logs, with the natural logs we can make the same equation, this equation here, exponential equation, by using the equality rules of logs in 10 in exponent x plus 2. So we are just using, instead of the common logs, we use in natural logs. And the procedure is the same. And here is a 78. ln of 78, I'm sorry. So it's ln of 78. And now again, here we are using the power property of the logs, and we have x plus 2. Again, here I'm going to put in parentheses this x plus 2, because x plus 2 multiplies ln 10. ln 10 is equal with ln 78. With ln 78. And now what we are doing here, we are dividing everything by ln 10. So we are dividing by ln 10 everything here, ln 10. And then when we divide everything by ln 10, x plus 2 is going to look at something similar with the situation what we have now. X plus 2 is going to be equal with the ln of 78 divided by ln 10. ln 10 And here again I'm going to go with the minus 2, and x is going to be equal with the ln 78, the ln of 78 divided by ln 10, ln 10, and ln 10, and this is a minus 2. When you calculate this in a calculator, so I'm not going to use a calculator, and you're going to get the same value, minus 0.107. 107. So you can verify these results in a calculator, and as you see, the value gets the same probably, and the process is the same. So I would say is with either one method. So I don't know, whichever you feel more comfortable, you can solve it with a natural log or a common log, doesn't make any difference.